this is Miss Wrobel. Hi guys, we are going to be making some chocolate chip cookies today. We're going to need lots of ingredients, but this is a very easy recipe to make with your family. We'll need 1 egg, chocolate chips that are semi-sweet, salt, baking soda, butter, vanilla, sugar, brown sugar, and flour. First thing we're going to do is unwrap our 2 sticks of unsalted butter. I've left these out since this morning so they can get nice and soft and you don't have to microwave them. This is the perfect room temperature butter. Then we're going to add 3/4 cup of white sugar and 3/4 cup of packed down brown sugar. Now we're going to mix these ingredients up. Next we're going to add in our egg. We check it first for any cracks, and then when I break it open, I break it into a separate bowl to make sure the egg doesn't have any spots or shell on the inside. Next we're going to add in our egg to our mixture, and then I'm going to pour 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract into our mix. Next we are going to add in our 2 1/4 cup of flour all at once, and also 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I do want to mix the flour a little bit by hand first, or else flour will be everywhere. So I'm mixing it in just a little bit before I turn on my mixer. Next we are going to add 2 cups of chocolate chips. Let's do it. Now we're going to add our cookies to our preheated oven, which is preheated to 375 degrees, and bake them for 9 minutes. All right. Now that these cookies have cooled down a little bit on our cooking sheet, we can move them onto a cooling rack. And we want about 9 cookies 2 inches apart. Start over. Can we start that way?
Just keep going.
Okay.
Just start it whenever you're ready. I need to stop it.
Okay.